Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, it's completely free. And I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through sublimating a Christmas ornament. I found some adorable sublimation images over on Creative Fabrica, and in today's video, I'm going to mix and match some images to create today's ornament. I find most of my images on Creative Fabrica, they have a large library of designs including font, graphics, crafts, embroidery, and even classes. Right now, they're having a sale and it's only $3.99 a month. They even offer a free trial. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the descriptions below. I also bought these sublimation ornaments on Amazon, and I'll leave a link for those as well. Remember, when you sublimate, make sure that the product you're working with is specifically made for sublimation, as it will indicate that. You also need to use sublimation ink and a sublimation printer. So let's get started. We're gonna head on over to Cricut Design Space. Cricut Design Space, all I did was upload the SVG image that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica, and this is it right here. And it's an SVG, and if you'll notice here, it says group. So you can click ungroup, and then all of those cuts slowly start to show up, and you'll be able to separate each image. Creative Fabrica, I typed in shapes, and I found one that was similar to the ornaments that I have because it was such a weird shape. And I just downloaded that and then uploaded that here. And then, like I said, I ungrouped this and I just kind of mixed and matched just to find what it is that I wanted to create. Okay, so now we're ready to hit make it. And you need to remember to use sublimation paper, and we definitely need to mirror the image as well. So we're going to just scroll down here and put mirror on, and then we're going to hit continue, send to printer. We're going to leave the bleed on, and then put the use system dialog on as well. Hit print. And then I have it mine set for legal paper, 8.5 by 14. You want to make sure your paper type is premium presentation paper matte. Quality should be high. If you go over to more options and then click on advanced, I have mine set for color controls. Color mode is Adobe RGB, Gamma 2.2, and then you'll just adjust your settings to your liking, and that's it. We'll hit OK, and then print. So before sublimating, you need to remove the thin layer of film on the ornament. After that, we have to clean the surface thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to remove any debris, and then make sure to dry it completely. Next, I'll cut the image from the sublimation paper and apply it to the ornament. You'll want to secure it with heat-resistant tape, and then I like to wrap it in parchment paper. Today, I'm also using my Alkali heat press set to 355 degrees, and we're going to sublimate for 45 seconds. And I'm getting that temperature and that time because that is recommended by this specific manufacturer for the ornaments that I'm using. So once we're done, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. So what do you guys think? I think it looks super cute, don't you? So now we're ready to go ahead, flip the ornament over, and we'll just repeat the process on the other side. And as you'll see, there won't be any tape marks, which is super cool. And I think these turned out super cute. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below, let me know. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, be sure to do so before you go so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like so I know you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.